Alright students, so we now take up the exercises on voice change which I had given you earlier. Let us now discuss the answers. Now taking up the first exercise, in this exercise we can notice that there are sentences which have to change from passive to active voice. Now let's see the first sentence. Is everybody in the house being questioned? So your answer will be, are they questioning everybody in the house? So that is your answer for the first sentence. Are they questioning everybody in the house? Number 2, he is considered to be a great leader by the people. So the people consider him to be a great leader. Number 3, the ozone layer has been damaged by aerosol sprays. Aerosol sprays have damaged the ozone layer. Number 4, paddy will have been sown by the farmers before the rains. The farmers will have sown paddy before the rains. Number 5, the same television program will be watched by people in many towns. People in many towns will watch the same television program. The president's speech, number 6, the president's speech was listened to by thousands of people. Thousands of people listened to the president's speech. Number 7, a special edition for children has been written by the author. The author has written a special edition for children. Number 8, my camera has been stolen. Somebody has stolen my camera. You can also write alternatively, someone has stolen my camera. Number 9, you are requested to close the window. Answer, please close the window. Since it is given as requested, you have to write please. Number 10, the bun must have been eaten by the cat. The cat must have eaten the bun. Now moving on to exercise 2. Number 1, our opponents must have started the rumor. Sorry, our opponents must have started this rumor. So answer, this rumor must have been started by our opponents. Number 2, they have now proved this scientific theory false. This scientific theory has now been proved false. Number 3, someone has altered this notice. This notice has been altered by someone. Number 4, why should you suspect him? Why should he be suspected by you? This by you can be omitted if you want. You can also write, why should he be suspected, and put a question mark. The agent can be omitted in certain sentences. So what are we doing basically in exercise 2? In exercise 1, we were changing from passive to active. In exercise 2, so far we are changing from active to passive. But then not in all cases, we shall see. Soon we will come up with some more sentences which are in passive. So we have to change into active. Now let's see. Number 5, the workers are packing the boxes. The boxes are being packed by the workers. The waiter has stolen my mobile phone. My mobile phone has been stolen by the waiter. Number 7, they are taking too much for granted. Too much is being taken for granted by them. Number 8, has the tea been sold by the grocer? Has the grocer sold the tea? If it is a question, then it should also be a question in your answer also. Make sure that it ends with a question mark. Then number 9, Jane was invited but Kate was not invited by them. They invited Jane but not Kate. And the last one, the book will have been read by her. She will have read the book. So I guess you have got all the answers now. And as I told you, after giving you these two exercises to do them in fact in your language copies, you must have done. Now you can check the answers. Wherever you have a doubt, you can pause and replay my video, and you can listen to my voice, and you can check with the answer which I have mentioned. If you have made mistakes anywhere, you can rectify those mistakes. So thank you very much.